Yes.
May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, Your Lordship.
One.
Or no, 19, Your Lordship. This matter,
Item?
19. This matter may be listed after a week, Your Lordship.
After
After a week.
19.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You're the counsel
I'm for the state, Your Lordship.
for the state. MS so the Leonard Government Advocate seeks adjournment of the case for a week. Prayer is allowed. Listed accordingly.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 21, my lord. Item number, my lord, this matter will be listed after 3 weeks, my lord. My lord, I'm newly engaged in this case, my lord, for education department, my lord. Earlier it was being conducted by my colleagues, my lord, T. Jamo. Now I have taken over this. I'll be looking after this matter, my lord.
Your good name?
T. Tagum, my lord.
P. Tagum.
Yes, standing counsel, education department.
Mr. P. Tagum, the Leonard Standing Council, Education, School Education.
Education department.
Education Department submits that he has been recently engaged to take up the case and therefore seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
My name may be reflected in cause list, my lord. It's not, my name is not reflected, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so Tagum's name,
Yes.
the Leonard Standing Council, Education Department shall be reflected in the daily cause list.
Deeply obliged.
May I sign, madam?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 5, madam. With consent of petitioner, my lord, may I pray that this be listed after 3 weeks, my lord?
You are the counsel for the
Respondent, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, please.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 3, my lord.
Yes,
I have taken consent from the other side, my lord.
you are the counsel for the,
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after?
After 3 weeks, my lord.
After 3 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, please.
I like to mention item number 20 on the behalf of Mr. D. Kamduk. And we already taken consent from
Mr.
D. Kamduk. Standing Council Land Management.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. D. Kamduk, Learned Standing Council, Land Management,
Yes,
and seeks adjournment of the case
4 weeks.
for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10. Lordship, the conducting counsel of this matter is absent today due to health issue.
Who is the counsel?
A Tatak. Learned counsel A Tatak.
Lordship, I'm appearing for.
Yes, Your Lordship.
A. Tadak.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, we have filed a rejoinder of respondent number 1 today, and we need some time to file the rejoinder of respondent number 3.
Mr. So-and-so.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 3. I'm outstanding outstation counsel. Your Lordship, if it can be given a fixed date.
Learned counsel for the petitioner.
Your Lordship, it can be listed on the 28th of this month.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
Seeks adjournment of the case on
25.
25.
28.
28 to 2024 for filing rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 3. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
On behalf of Mr. K. Lawyer, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, I beg to mention item number 8.
8.
Your Lordship, we may be given 3 weeks time for filing rejoinder affidavit.
Your good name?
J. Koyu.
You are mentioning on behalf of
Mr. K lawyer for the petitioner.
K lawyer. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. K lawyer, learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks to file rejoinder affidavit. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Much obliged.
Lordship, may I please, item number 16, I would like to mention item number 16. As per last occasion, last order, I was directed to take a step on respondent number 9 and 10. So it is learned that but respondent number 9 and 10, they terminated from the service. So
They?
in this case, item respondent number 9 and 10, they have already terminated from the service.
Terminated.
So their participation in the case is not necessary.
You are the
So-
counsel for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner, so I will be allowed to drop the respondent number 9 and 10.
You file an application. You file an application. You cannot just allow like that. You file an application. Okay? File an application
So adjourn after weeks, and the matter may be list after week.
on the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner. This is item 16,
Item 16.
listed after a week. You file an application, then we can pass one order on the basis of your application. Okay?
Avlas.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 4, Your Lordship. On
Item
behalf
number,
4. On behalf of J. Genie, Your Lordship.
on behalf of
J. Genie.
J.
Genie. J.
Genie.
Genie. He's out of station, Your Lord. Matter may be fixed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. J. Ginny, learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after
2 weeks, Your
2
Lord.
weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Oblige.
Item number 1.
My lord,
Yes, please.
my lord, the petitioner is before your lordship because the respondent authorities have not processed her pension file for want of a no objection certificate from deputy commissioner. Before adverting to the facts of the case, my lord, I would like to draw my lord's attention to 3 executive orders whereunder it is mandatory to obtain no objection certificate from the concerned deputy commissioner for finalization of pension.
Is it essential?
My lord, no, my lord.
Is it essential?
No,
Is such a notification or orders essential for
No.
payment of pension?
No, man. No. There are judgments of this honorable court.
Who is the additional AG? Any idea? Yes, government advocate, I think the notification, the order itself is contrary to the pension rules. You advise your government, you advise your government to withdraw that. If actually there is encroachment of government land, or actually if somebody is illegally occupying government quarter,
Yes, Lord.
then recourse can be taken for some other see penalties. But actually, just because somebody has encroached government land or somebody is in illegal occupation of government quarter, that does not give any right to the government to withhold the pension. So you advise the government, okay, ma'am? Advise the government. I think this is absolutely wrong.
Lordship. But at this stage,
Absolutely.
your lordship, notice may be issued, your lordship.
Come with instructions.
There is no, your lordship, communication why DC has denying your lordship to issue NOC. So for that, your lordship.
My lord, in any case, as my lord has observed, even if there is a encroachment by government servant, they cannot deny pension.
Yes.
These administrative instructions are not law, my lord, statutory law. They cannot act contrary to the CCS Pensions Rule 2021, my lord, which is
That
applicable
is-
to the,
That is what I am actually like inquiring from the government advocate. Yes. Yes,
may I proceed further, my lord?
yes, please.
The first executive order, my lord, will find at page number 29, issued by the Directorate of Audit and Pension, my lord. Page number 29. May I read, my lord?
Just wait, okay.
Subject NOC from concerned Deputy Commissioner for settling retirement dues. Government of Arunachal Pradesh, White its order number such and such, decided that for vigilance clearance to government official for promotion and for settling retirement dues, no objection certificate should be obtained from concerned deputy commissioner, clearly stating that the government official has not encroached upon any government property, nor has caused any damage or abated encroachment on public property by a private person. Henceforth, all heads of offices shall invariably obtain NOC from the concerned deputy commissioner in respect of each official proceeding on retirement. These shall form part of pension documents in addition to documents stroke forms prescribed under CCS Pension Rules 1972 to be submitted to the Directorate of Audit and Pension, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Naharlagun for settlement of pension and other retirement benefits. Similar order, my lord, was subsequently passed on 6 June 2017, which my lord will find at page number 33 by the Vigilance Department, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Page number 33, my lord. The relevant paragraph,
Yes.
paragraph 3. Paragraph 3. To curb this practice of encroachment and demolition, illegal use of public property, it has been decided that vigilance clearance to government officials for promotion and for settling retirement dues, NOC shall be obtained from concerned deputy commissioner, clearly stating that government official has not encroached upon any government property, nor has caused any damage or abated encroachment on public property by a private person.
This type copy is in page 31.
Page 31. 31 and 30.
Why did you not challenge these two notifications, these two orders?
My lord, in similar cases.
Prime facie illegal.
Yes, my lord. In similar cases, my lord, this honorable court has directed the respondent authorities to process the pension paper without insisting.
Of course, I have seen that order,
My lord.
but at the same time, so far as actually these two orders are enforced, it has to be followed unless somebody challenges it.
My lord.
This order, these two orders issued by the vigilance and the other order issued by the other department is prima facie legal. Madam, we give you 5 days time. Come with instructions as to why NOC has not been issued.
Lordship,
Okay?
Lordship,
Because deputy commissioner, irrespective of whether actually these notifications are there or not,
yes,
he cannot stop pension and pensionary benefits.
yes.
He cannot stop. Even if there is criminal case pending against that particular person, he cannot stop that pensionary benefit. Tell him to issue NOC.
Lordship,
If not, this court may direct.
5 days, your lordship.
We'll list it after 5 days.
Lordship,
Okay? Heard, Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. The case in brief is that the petitioner's husband was serving as assistant engineer within brigade, Nafra subdivision, PWD, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Stop. The petitioner's husband died in harness on 25/4/2021. For claiming pensionary and other service benefits, the petitioner has submitted the required documents in the office of the executive engineer, PWD, Bomdila. Stop. The government of Arunachal Pradesh Directorate of Audit and Pension Nahalagan has issued the order dated 17/6/2013. Which inter alia provides that for settling retirement dues, NOC should be obtained from the concerned deputy commissioner, clearly stating that the government official has not encroached upon any government property, nor has caused any damage or abated encroachment on the public property by a private person. Stop. Another notification on the same line has been another order dated 6/6/2017 on the same line has been issued by the government of Arunachal Pradesh Vigilance Department, AP Secretariat, Itanagar. It is the case of the petitioner. Neither the deceased husband of the petitioner nor the family members have encroached or abated encroachment of common land. Stop. The petitioner has applied for NOC. No. What's your application?
Application, my lord, we find at page number 28.
Page number?
28.
Stop. The petitioner has submitted the application dated 8/8/2022. To the Deputy Commissioner, West Cumming District, Bomdila. For issuance of NOC to enable the petitioner to draw the pension and retirement benefits of her deceased husband. However, the same has not evoked any response. So it is the case of the petitioner that as no NOC has been issued by the concerned deputy commissioner, the executive engineer PWD Bomdila and the director audit and pension Nahalagan have not processed the pension file of the petitioner. You accept notice on behalf of all the respondents?
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS Central, Learned Government Advocate accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. The Learned Government Advocate shall on the next day come with proper instructions as to why the no objection certificate has been, the no objection certificate has not been issued to the petitioner. Stop. Pendency of this petition, writ petition, shall not be a bar to the Deputy Commissioner, West Cumming District, Bomdila, to dispose the application dated 8/8/2022, submitted by the petitioner for issuance of NOC. We'll list it next Wednesday. You come with instructions.
16, your lordship, on 16.
What is 16?
16 is Friday, your lordship.
5 days is on 14.
Okay, we'll list it on 16.
Lordship.
Come with instructions.
Lordship,
positively,
yes,
okay?
your lordship.
Listed on 16/2/2024.
Obliged.
Yes, please.
Lordship, in this case, the LPC issued by the Deputy Commissioner UPR against my plot, private plot, in the name of private respondent. So in this regard,
The plot belongs to you.
yes, the plot is purchased by me in the year 1997. That the purchase slip I've been closed. For issue this impugned LPC, I file an application, cancellation application before the Deputy Commissioner, but it was not responding.
Where is the LPC?
The LPC page number 13, annexure 1,
Page.
page number 13.
Page number 1.
The LPC issued by the Deputy Commissioner against the private respondent. And this is LPC was issued on 01/02/2023. But next page, page number 14, the circle officer where the land is situated. The forwarding letter submitted by the circle officer Gumto on 15/5/2023 after issue of the LPC. So there is certain procedure to issue the LPC after obtaining the ground reality report from the circle officer. Then only LPC had to be issued. But here in my case, the LPC issued past
What
February.
is this 15/5/2022?
No, here their officers signature writing 15/5/2023. Here in the
Madam?
top side tempered,
Yes, madam.
tempering.
Lordship.
Have you seen all this?
Yes, Lordship.
What is this?
Lordship,
Absolute manipulation. Absolute manipulation. See, your officers, they are actually trying their best to cover up. But somewhere, this false did. They get exposed.
Lordship, we can also.
And here page number 15 also is for verification report. Here also 15/5/15. And the page number, kindly peruse page number 16. This is affidavit filed by the private respondent number. Here clearly written, affidavit was filed on, sweared on 15/5/2023 after issue of the LPC, page number 16. So in this regard, I filed a cancellation application before the Learned Deputy Commissioner UPR on 28 September 2023. But as on today, now 5 months, no response come from the Deputy Commissioner UPR. So therefore, I approached before the Honorable Court to issue a strict direction to the Learned DC UPR to dispose of my pending application within a specific period.
Lordship, to that I have no objection, Lordship. That much of direction, Lordship can.
So I want to stay the LPC,
In the meantime,
the operation of the LPC. I think somewhere something is horribly wrong.
Lordship.
my specific prayer is also there in pendency of this application. Their impugned LPC may be suspended.
Heard Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner.
And I'll be for one only, Lordship,
Pardon, ma'am? Therefore,
one, respondent one. Okay. Two is the private respondent.
the present writ petition has been filed. Seeking for a direction. To cancel the LPC. Dated 1/2/2023. Which has been issued. In favor of, which have been issued by the Deputy Commissioner. Papum Pari District. In favor of the respondent number 2.
Two.
Yes, in favor of the respondent number 2. It is the case of the petitioner that the land in question on which the LPC has been issued belongs to the petitioner. It is further the case of the petitioner that the LPC dated 1/2/2023 was issued by the Deputy Commissioner, Papum Puri District. Without following the process for allotment of land. In this regard, in this regard. The petitioner has taken this court to the letter dated 15/5/2023, written by the circle officer to the Deputy Commissioner, Papum Puri District. This Nabam Tagya is the respondent number 2.
Yes, private respondent.
By which the application submitted by the respondent number 2 has been forwarded for issuance of land possession certificate. The petitioner has also taken this code to the inquiry report. On spot verification conducted in respect of the land. And the certificate issued by the circle officer stating the conduct of field inquiry on the land in question. The inquiry report, as well as the certificate dated 15, as well as the certificate issued by the circle officer, are all dated 15/5, are all allegedly dated 15/5/2023. It is the case of the petitioner that when on 15/5/2023, the process for allotment of the land to the respondent number 3 was in process. The deputy commissioner could not have allotted the land possession certificate to the respondent number 2 on 1/2/2023. Where is your application?
Page number 19. Which was received on 28/9/2023.
What is the date of this application? 28.
They are received on the left side, below the left side,
The
28/9.
the petitioner has submitted the application dated 28/9/2023 to the DC is also the district magistrate,
Yes.
to the deputy commissioner / district magistrate, Papum Pari district, for cancellation of the LPC dated 1/2/2023 issued to the respondent number 2. However, the same has not evoked any response. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable in 4 weeks' time. MS so-and-so appears for the respondent number 1.
Yes, Lordship.
Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall, however, serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate within
2 days.
within a period of 2 days from today. Insofar as the respondent number 2 is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
AD not possible. Yes, AD.
yes,
Yes.
within a period of
Yes.
within a period of
Week.
within a period of 7 days from today. Considering the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also considering the facts and the circumstances of the case, this court in the interim suspends the land possession certificate dated 1/2/2023 issued by the Deputy Commissioner, Papum Puri District, to the respondent number 2 till the next returnable date. Okay.
Obliged.
Yes,
My friend is supposed to obtain instruction regarding the.
let her submit why you are actually so graciously and generously submitting on her behalf.
Lordship, this is the Lordship last instruction we have received from the concerned.
You file affidavit, we can adjust.
Yes, Lordship, we
You
have not
file
received.
affidavit.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Kato, Everything?
They are trained for the investigations to be done by the CBI, madam.
While you're-
The local police, madam, is, madam, well efficient to, madam, they carry out the investigation and.
You're for the
CBI,
CBI.
respondent number 1 and 2.
So let us state some objections, some reservations.
Lordship, we have received the instruction, as per the Lordship instruction, Lordship, the investigation is going on.
Yes, so file affidavit, proper affidavit. Come. Yes. Take this. File affidavit.
No.
We'll consider that, okay?
Lordship, for that, Lordship, we have, we need to take some more time, Lordship, because as per this instruction, Lordship, the JNK regiment who was posted there, Lordship, at that time, point of time, Lordship, they have moved out from some years back. So summons were issued, Lordship.
So Kato, you will not be filing. You will not be filing any affidavit.
Madam, our affidavit may not be required
Ah,
because,
ah,
madam, only they are trained for the, madam, investigations to be done by the CBI, madam.
So it is for the state to actually counter
Yes, sir,
that.
we are Lordship, already, Lordship, doing our
Okay.
job.
Madam Hagi, you are appearing as government advocate.
And Lordship for PP,
You
Lordship.
are L Hagi, na?
Lordship.
Huh?
I am for Lordship,
The government advocate.
Lordship, I am additional public prosecutor.
Oh. Writ petition.
I'm for 3, 4, and 5, Lordship.
Yes. Why in writ petition?
Lordship, they have come
My
in
lord,
this petition, Lordship.
This
for-
husband of the petitioner has been brutally murdered. They have tempered the evidence, everything. So we came before this court for impartial investigation.
So that is
I-
okay,
I-
that is okay. I am actually like, I am actually inquiring whether it is the government advocate or the public prosecutor who should appear.
Lordship, because we have been made party here, Lordship, that's why we have appeared, Lordship.
Who has
We have
been my
been-
party?
Lordship, 3, 4, and 5. 3 for the Director General of Police, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. 4 for the Superintendent of Police, Haluliang, and 5 for the Officer in Charge, Haluliang.
Okay, we will give you time, but
Yes.
just, I think, make some consultation, whether the government advocate has to appear or whether the public prosecutor has to appear in this case.
Lordship, one.
No, This
Lordship,
is writ petition, civil rule.
Lordship, they have actually, they're supposed to make party home also, Lordship, for the government side, Lordship.
That is for them.
Lordship.
That is for them. But you just discuss amongst yourself as to whether actually it is the government advocate or the PP who should take up this case.
Lordship.
Okay? I am not mentioning anything. I am just saying that you are asking for time.
Yes.
The Leonard government advocate. 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Kindly, madam, kindly discuss whether actually it is the government advocate or the PP who should take up this case.
Because they have not made party to government side, that's why, Lordship, they are not appearing.
No,
The
since
opponent
this is a
lordship-
civil rule,
Lordship.
since this is a civil rule, irrespective of whether the Director General of Police or other police officials are implemented,
Lordship.
it is for the government advocate, I believe. So
Lordship.
just check up,
Lordship.
okay?
Alright, Lordship.
My lordship, I need time for filing affidavit in respect of respondent number 2. State respondent number 2. 1, 3, and 4, they have filed, your lordship.
1, 3, and 4 as filed.
Large
Yes, ma'am.
lordship.
May, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, we have filed our rejoinder, my lord, today itself.
5 to 3. Is there respondent number 5 also?
Yes, private
Lord,
respondent.
I have been implicated in this case, so I may be given time to file affidavit. I'm implicated as a private respondent in person.
respondent number 5 to 9
Oh,
was in,
5 to 9.
yes, my lord.
Uh-huh. What about 6, 7, 8, 9?
Yes,
You are appearing?
yes.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Is it your first appearance?
Uh, no, last occasion,
Last
I was there.
Okay.
So today I'm seeking time to file affidavit.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
For two, we need time
Okay,
to file.
for 2 also.
For two.
And your prayer? Oh,
I'm for petitioner, my lord.
for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. And we have filed our rejoinder against respondent number 1, 3, and 4. Against their affidavit, my lord. Today, my lord, today. We have filed today. Against the affidavit 1, 3, and 4.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the rejoinder affidavit against the affidavit in opposition of respondent number 1, 3, and 5 has been filed. Stop.
1, 3, and 4, my lord.
1, 3, and 4
Yes.
has been filed. Stop. MS so-and-so, learned government advocate, correct?
Lordship.
For the respondent number 2. And
I'm appearing for 1, 2, and 4, Lordship. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
For the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have filed 1, 3, 4.
1,
1, 3, and 4, they have filed, your Lordship. For respondent number 2, I need time for filing it.
MS so-and-so, the learned government advocate. Submits that she may be granted some time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 2. Same prayer has also been made by Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the respondent number 5 to 9. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks.
much obliged.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Lordship, we will be filing rejoinder in respect to affidavit filed by respondent number 3.
Respondent number 3. Deputy Commissioner,
Yes, Your Lordship.
what about the others? Others are filed.
I'm representing my respondent number 5, the highway, my lord.
Ah.
In fact, we are not necessary party, my
Yeah,
lord.
no,
We are only executing, my lord, agency, my lord. This matter pertains to my lord, payment of the compensation, my lord.
What about the others?
Lordship, I think my affidavit, Deputy Commissioner's affidavit is, Lordship, suffice here, Lordship. We have already filed. And
Okay.
Lordship, we have filed additional affidavit also bringing in the record showing the payment to the petitioner, Lordship.
You have filed affidavit.
Yes,
You
Lordship.
filed that affidavit.
That affidavit also.
Okay, and you want to file rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 3?
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS so-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner 6 for 3 weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit
Additional
to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 3. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks.
Much
Much
obliged.
obliged, Your Lordship.
After कितना बोला?
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of JGNE, Lordship. Lordship, he's out of station. He informed me to seek adjournment for today, and matter may be listed after 1 week, Your Lordship.
What about the counter affidavit?
Lordship, our last last honorable court order also we have communicated, but then we are yet to receive any instructions from that department. We may be
Who is
allowed,
who is supposed to file the counter affidavit?
Lordship Deputy Commissioner have to file. but
The
then
Deputy
Lordship-
Commissioner is respondent number 7.
Yes, Lordship.
What about the others?
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 6, Secretary Land Management, and will not be filing affidavit, Lordship, because the affidavit filed by Deputy Commissioner will suffice.
CSG also has to file, Central Lordship, UGC. Union Lordship.
Where is Mr. Kato?
On behalf.
Ah,
Their instructions not been received from the.
okay. Mr.
T Tarin on behalf of JJN.
Mr. So-and-so, your good name? Makes a mention on behalf of Mr. M. Kato, the learned VSGI. And
Lordship MSG, therefore, respondent number 6,
six
7
adjournment
and
of the
8.
case.
7
Please
and
wait,
8.
6 adjournment of the case for filing affidavit in opposition. Same prayer is made by MS so-and-so, the learned government advocate, for the respondent number 7,
7 and 8, Lordship.
for respondent number 7 and 8. Prayer is allowed. Listed after 3 weeks for enabling the respondents to file their respective affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Much obliged.
Lordship, maybe after 2 weeks, your lordship.
Yes, we have passed. It's all right.
Obliged.
Number 12. Yes,
Lordship, in this case, on the earlier occasion, as per the direction of honorable court, we have taken step to the private respondent. Whether service report is completed or no.
no, not still awaited. As per office note dated 25 8/2/2024.
Not yet. We have taken a step on 19th of November 2023.
What to do again?
We will wait for some time.
Awaiting service report in respect of respondent number 5.
5.
List the case again after 2 weeks.
Yes.
Number 13 to 15.
My lord, here in series of case, I am appearing for respondent number 2. And there are many analogous matter losses which have been posted after 4 years. And all those matter were listed previous week, and the same matter posted for.
What is this case about?
This is regarding this excess payment of the compensation amount. And
Excess
the,
payment?
yeah, yes. The
And they want to recover?
and yes, Deputy Commissioner has issued a recovery letter, and against that recovery letter, petitioner has come before this honorable court.
Okay. Forgive them.
That
Poor
is-
people,
That is
you have taken
for,
over the land.
that is for the Deputy Commissioner to forgive and
Hmm.
not to forgive also.
Or tell the deputy commissioner to recover on behalf of the payee. Yes, who is respondent number 7?
No, no. This is the-
7,
Lordship,
7.
yes, Lord. Deport DC because.
Just see.
Lordship.
Additional deputy commissioner.
Lordship,
Four.
4.
7.
Deputy Commissioner is respondent number 4.
No, because office note 8/2/2024 states that fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent number 7.
Yes.
Not yet taken.
Okay.
I think if you are appearing for this deputy commissioner, you can appear for 5 also, additional deputy commissioner.
Lordship, they have given by name, Lordship.
Oh, by name. So who is the petitioner?
Petitioner, counsel for the petitioner is Mr. Tony Patti. And
He's
there
not
are,
there.
Lordship,
He is not there.
he's not there. In fact, this morning, Lordship, he had a telephonic call with me. And in fact, he was expressing some difficulty. So
Okay.
we're supposed to seek is adjournment of all these matters. But-
Okay, okay.
Since Lordship, this matter are being taken up, Lordship, the petitioner may be given some more time to take fresh step to respondent number
Ah.
7.
The petitioner shall take fresh steps. For service of notice. The petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 7 within a period of 7 days from today. I think the petitioner is not interested.
Maybe
Next
not-
day, tell him. If he is not interested, I think the record shows that he is most of the time absent.
Yes.
So please inform him
Lordship.
that on the next day, if he is not interested, then we dismiss. Okay, listed after 2 weeks.
May I, my lord?
Ah,
My lord, respondent number 5 and 6, my lord, yet to be appear, my lord. We have already
affidavit in opposition, respondent.
paper publication was also done.
Respondent number,
5 and 6, my lord.
who are they?
Private respondent.
Private respondent, have you taken steps?
Yes, my lord. Oh, paper publication is also done, my lord.
Where is it? And have you filed affidavit to that
Yes,
effect?
yes, yes.
Have you filed affidavit?
Yes, my lord.
Let's see your affidavit. Where is that affidavit?
Filed by petitioner,
5 and 6.
saying that paper publication has been done.
Let's see, 5 and 6. This is the one, 5 and 6.
This one is fine.
By which order? By which order you were asked to take this step? By which order?
Order dated
By which order? This Kosang Nopi and Taku Jijung,
Yes,
5 and
my
6.
Yes, my lord.
By which order?
By order dated 31/1/2023.
31/1/2023. Let me just see that order. 31/1/2023.
Yes, my lord.
In 2 local dailies.
Yes, my lord.
You have taken steps.
Yes, my lord.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so. learned counsel for the petitioner. In terms of the order dated 31/1/2023 passed by this court, the petitioner has taken steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 and 6 by paper publication and has filed the affidavit dated 10/3/2023 with that effect. Stop. The service of notice upon respondent number 5 and 6 is therefore deemed served. This is the case for hearing.
Yes, Lordship.
When? In the usual course.
In the usual course.
In the usual course.
May my lord, interim order is there, my lord.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable deed.
Much obliged.
Mayor Lordship,
Yes, please.
Your Lordship, this matter is pending for the service of notice upon the respondent number 2. So Your Lordship, we are unable to serve the notice. We have tried 3 times, Your Lordship, on the dated 02/03/23, 02/06/23 and 26/07/23. But despite making this
Upon
effort,
respondent number 2.
yes, Lordship,
Who is respondent number 2? Who is so elusive?
respondent number 2 is Jacob Enterprise, Your Lordship. It's a private.
Genco Enterprise.
Yes, Lordship. We don't have a proper address, Your Lordship. Due to that, we are unable to serve the notice, Your Lordship. So if Your Lordship permits, I would like to withdraw their name from the petition, Your Lordship, since we don't have any proper address, Your Lordship. It's a difficult one.
Whether if you withdraw this Jacob Genco Enterprise,
Yes, Lordship.
whether disposal of your petition on merit will adversely affect this party. That is the issue.
Yes, Lordship.
If not, we have no problem allowing to withdraw.
But we don't have any proper address, Your Lordship. And we don't have any source as well.
From where did you get this address then? Genco Enterprise? From where did you get this address?
This is an all address, Your Lordship. This is given by the petitioner, Your Lordship.
So take steps with the petitioner, tell him to trace out, do some detective job.
Okay, Lordship.
Huh? Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
MS so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 for 2 weeks' time to take steps to obtain certain clarification from the petitioner. Listed after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, sir.
Yes, next. Oh.